Hondude Nation, what's happening? So it's 2019. Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas to everyone, and we're back on the trails again. So I figured today we'd get out and see if we can do some damage. The ice seems to be holding up pretty good, so we're gonna go check out some trails, see what needs to be cleaned, where, and whatever. We're gonna be doing that in about a week or two, and should be a good time. Hopefully it's not too cold. We had ice rain last night for New Year's. Hope everyone was safe. And yeah, that's about it. So let's jump right into it, guys. Use the diff lock in this ice. Man, that diff lock works good. Like a layer of ice underneath all this water, and I'm kind of breaking through. Kind of not. The ice is pretty thick underneath. I'm not breaking it anymore. I don't know if I'm going to be able to climb out of this. I can get up. It's just getting the tires to be able to grab some traction on the way up. There we go. you go. So we made her out to the river, and it's pretty cold out. It's cooling off quick. It was a lot warmer yesterday. Should have rode then, but oh well. The GoPro battery keeps freezing, so I got a little bit of footage, but yeah, it pretty much died. I got it in my pocket, see if we can warm it up a little bit, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right.